this is GabbyBaddd girly. Welcome back to my channel. We are using LulGabbyBadd. So right here I'm using the black soap shampoo. This was an easy breezy wash and go because I had to apply a small amount, allow it to foam up, and then massage the scalp. So massaging my scalp was a little bit easier this wash and go. I had a little tool with me. It's a shampoo brush I got from Sally's for $1. So it helps my scalp remove all that dirt and product buildup. So it's an easy breezy wash and go. On to this conditioner. The conditioner had different instructions. It says to apply a small amount to wet or dry hair, but you know sis, we don't use small amounts in our hair. We have to use a lot. So that's exactly what I did. I left it in for 10 minutes. I detangled as usual, and I rinsed out with cold water because cold water helps reduce frizz. And that's all I did with this wash and go. Like, that was it. Done. 20 minutes tops. Okay, I am back with my results. I use this new black-owned brand. Look at this packaging, okay? I know I'm a sucker for packaging. So this is called Black Soap Shampoo. You guys, what I mean, this shampoo is awesome. Like, awesome. I love this shampoo. I have no complaints. It lathered up so well. My hair felt squeaky clean. My hair smelled really nice. It smelled like really minty. I don't know if it came from the tea tree or the peppermint, but my scalp felt really nice. It felt really clean. It was easy to detangle. It's kind of a runny consistency. As you can tell, it's kind of runny. But a small amount goes a long way. I met the owner in person when I went to a natural hair meetup, and she even told me before I purchased it, her products, a small amount goes a long way. I heard her. I listened, but I kept using more because it was so well. 10 out of 10 for packaging, 10 out of 10 for smell, 10 out of 10 for size, 10 out of 10 for texture. I'm going to give it a 6 because it was a thicker texture, but that's no pet peeves. It still works. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys can see in the video, but I was really feeling this conditioner. I was in love. So it's a yellow color. There we go. Focus on me. I'm trying to get my hair out of it because that's so disrespectful. So this is the color. It's like a yellow, a very pale yellow color. The texture is like, have y'all ever touched a really thick body cream? That's what the texture reminds me of. But then again, it reminds me of some good lemon icing. I know I shouldn't be talking about food, but that's what it feels like. I'm very detailed, I'm very passionate about my products, y'all. Don't come for me. Speaking of icing and food, y'all, I don't know what fragrance you use in it, but sis, it smells like, have you ever had the pink Starburst? That's what it smells like to me. The smell is to die forward. This is the best conditioner I have ever used since I have been natural. And I've been natural since 2015. This is the best conditioner I've ever used in my life. And I'm not being dramatic. This is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money, okay? The best. My hair has never felt so soft in my life. My hair never felt so moisturized. My hair has never felt so amazing using a conditioner. And it's a rinse out conditioner. So it's multi-purpose, okay? You can use it as a deep conditioner, which is amazing. And you can use it as a rinse out conditioner, which is amazing. Multi-purpose products. I love it. You can use it 2 ways in one. This is the best conditioner by far. The best. Hands down. There's nothing topping this. And it's homemade. And it's black owned. And it's 100% organic. And it's local. So I can always get it when I want to get it. It's lit. Okay? It's lit. I'm sorry. It's lit. I love strong smells. You guys know that. So packaging is a 10. The smell is a 10. The texture is a 10. The price. Oh, the price is a 10. I highly recommend anyone to try this brand in line. Like, look at this. I'm going to link her company, Etsy website down below. I will link their Instagram down below in my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in a later upload.